This is burnt out, so I will show you how to replace it. This one's already partially out. I've already done it, but I'm gonna walk through it. This is on an M2 with the center option. A lot of these trucks don't actually have this. It's just covered and there's nothing there. This one had this piece up in it, so this is actually fairly easier than most. A lot of times you're gonna have to come into one of these sides, and if it is the center one here, that is the most difficult to get to. The side ones aren't as bad, and the very end is actually fairly easy. So you just remove this. If you do have this center one, what you need to do is take these out, and it is a T25. And once you get up and in there, these right here, those nuts are, size is that? Those are 5/16. So you get those two off, and this can be kind of cumbersome to get off. Put a screwdriver or something through, pop that off, and then on the top end, on the outside, just pull that back, and then you can pop the new one in. Now this seems easy, but trust me, if you've done these before, you're watching this, or you're doing it for the first time, a lot of times you can cut your hand right here. Always wear some gloves, and then the washers will fall down, and then you can't find them with the gloves on. You gotta take those off and feel around. So this seems like an easy job, but it really is not. This can take a while, and it can be frustrating. Just watch your fingers and try not to cut yourself, but that's how you do it on the M2.